Today, we're getting specific. We're not just tapping on manifestation in general, we're tapping on your dream life, the whole vision, the full picture. Because most people keep their deepest desires vague on purpose, not consciously, but unconsciously. Because getting specific means getting vulnerable, it means committing to something, it means allowing yourself to actually want it fully. And that feels risky. What if it doesn't happen? What if wanting it that clearly just sets you up for a bigger disappointment? So instead, most people stay in the comfortable fog of, I just want more, or I want things to be better, without ever letting themselves see exactly what better looks like. And that vagueness is one of the most effective ways of making sure nothing happens. So today we're stepping out of the fog. We're getting crystal clear on the life you actually want. And we're clearing everything that has been making clarity feel dangerous. Because here's what's true. You can't hit a target you won't look at. And the universe can't deliver an order you won't place. Getting specific isn't greedy. It isn't setting yourself up for disappointment. It's the most powerful act of self-belief you can perform. It's saying, I trust that this is possible for me. I trust that I deserve to want this fully. And I'm willing to let myself see it clearly enough to actually receive it. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, I want you to let yourself go there all the way. Your dream life, not the edited version, not the realistic version, the actual dream. Where do you live? What does your morning look like? What kind of work are you doing and how does it feel? What do your relationships look like? What does your body feel like? What does your financial life look like? What kind of freedom do you have? Let yourself see it as vividly and specifically as you possibly can. And notice what happens as you do. Does it feel exciting? Does it feel possible? Or does something tighten up and say, that's too much? That's not for you. Don't get your hopes up. Just notice that reaction, whatever it is exactly what we're working with today. So take a breath in through your nose, hold it, and open your eyes. So now we're going to do some EFT tapping, known as emotional freedom techniques or tapping. So just tap where I tap and say what I say. Even though I've been keeping my dreams vague, because getting specific feels too vulnerable and too risky, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me is afraid that wanting my dream life this clearly will only set me up for a bigger disappointment. I choose to love and honor myself and get specific anyway. Even though I've been playing it safe with my vision because some part of me doesn't fully believe it's available to me, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm allowing myself to want it fully today. I've been keeping my dreams vague because specific feels dangerous. Specific means committing. Specific means being vulnerable. Specific means really wanting it. And really wanting it means it could really not happen. So I've stayed in the fog and wondered why nothing changes. But vague dreams produce vague results. And I'm done with vague. I'm allowing myself to get crystal clear on exactly what I want my life to look like, where I live, how I spend my time, how I feel every single morning, what my freedom actually looks like. I'm clearing the fear that wanting this clearly sets me up for disappointment. Because either I manifest it just right, or I get better at manifesting. Either way, I win. I can't hit a target I won't look at. And the universe can't deliver an order I won't place. So I'm placing it now. I am allowing myself to want my dream life fully without editing it, without editing it down, without making it more realistic, without apologizing for the size of it. This is what I want, and I deserve to want it completely. I'm clearing any belief that this is too much. It is not too much. I'm clearing every block to my dream life showing up. Every fear that I couldn't handle it. Every belief that it's not meant for someone like me. Every voice that said, be realistic. Every moment I talked myself out of the full vision. Releasing all of it now. At a cellular level and all the way back through my past. My dream life is not a fantasy. It is a blueprint. It is the clearest possible signal I can send. To myself and to the universe about what I am available to receive. And I'm sending that signal now. Clearly, boldly, and without apology. I am manifesting my dream life with clarity, with intention, with full permission to want it completely. I am worthy of this vision. I am ready for this vision in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Close your eyes, breathe in through your nose, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, come back to that vision of your dream life. Notice if it feels any more real now, any more like something you're genuinely allowed to have, rather than something you're only allowed to admire from a distance. Let yourself stay in it a little longer this time. Walk around in it. Feel the morning air of that life. Feel the freedom of it. Feel what it's like to have built something that is completely and authentically yours. Let that feeling become familiar. Let your body memorize it, because the clearer and more familiar that vision becomes, the more powerfully you broadcast that signal that draws it toward you. This is this is your life that we're talking about. And you just gave yourself permission to want it fully. Now take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. The most powerful thing you can do for your dream life today isn't a strategy or plan. It's this: getting specific, getting clear, and clearing every block that has been making the full vision feel too dangerous to hold. Because you cannot manifest a life you won't let yourself see. But the moment you give yourself permission to see it fully, to want it completely, to feel it as real, everything changes. The inspired actions become obvious. The opportunities become visible. The right people start appearing. Keep coming back to this session. Keep letting the vision get clearer, because clarity is the beginning of everything. Make sure to drink a glass of water, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.